Hello everyone, I am Manisha Pawar. Today I am going to discuss about the array in a Java. Java provides data structures. Array is used to store the fixed size sequential collections of data types of elements. Array is used to store the elements, but it is more often useful as of think an array as a collections of variables of the same times. Instead of declaring the variables of the same times, number 0, number 1 and number 99, you declare the one array variable such as numbers and create the array as a number 0, number 1 and number 99k. Next, we introduce the to declare an array variables, create an array and processing of array elements. First we discuss about the declaring of array variables. To use an array in a program, you must declare the variables to reference to array and you must specify the type of the array variables as a reference. The syntax of declaring of array variables. There are two ways of declaring array variables. First one is the array data types array reference variables. It is a preferred way of the declaring array variables. Next one is the data types array reference variables array. It's working but it's not a preferred way of the declaring array. Creating of array. You can create an array using the new operators. There are two statements of creating an array. First one is the you can create an array using the new data types and to it assign the reference of the array elements. Declaring an array variables, creating an array and processing of the array you can declare in a one lines. For examples, data types array reference variables is equal to new operators data types array size. Alternatively, you can declare an array as different way. Array size data types array reference variables is equal to variable 0 variable 1 as variables 99k is still the you want to pass the data as if you want. It is also called as the number valued array. The array elements are accessed through the index. Array indices are zero base that is start from the 0 and array reference variables dot length -1. Processing of array. When processing an array elements, we often use either for loop or for each loop because all of the elements in an array are of the same type and the size of the array is known. Then advantages of the array. First one is the code optimizations and second one is the code reusability. The disadvantages of array. Size limit. The array size limit is a fix. If you want to increase the size of array, it's not possible, but you can these problems can be solved by using the collections framework. There is a one exception, array index out of bound. The Java virtual machines throws the exception as a array index out of bound if the size of the array is a negative or greater than or equal to or the larger than of the array size. Thank you.